Good morning, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Hope you're well. Wanted to do a video of this car for you. It's just come into part exchange. Really nice example of a Range Rover. So thought it's worth going through the vehicle, showing you some of the features and options on the car. So we're obviously the big Range Rover. We're a HSE and we're a D350. So that's the 3-litre diesel twin turbo straight six. We've got the nice grey finishes on the lettering, on the grille and on the lower valances, and we've got full adaptive LED headlights as well. Around the side of the car, we've got the nice 22-inch alloy wheels, and we've got the gloss black alloy wheels on the gloss black calipers on the car as well. We've got the side atlas vents and the privacy glass, and we've got the keyless entry denoted by the little buttons just in the door here. The car has also got soft closed doors, so you don't need to slam the doors either. Finishing this really nice green, very nice pearlescent finish to the car. Car will come with a 2-year warranty, obviously from the manufacturer, and will include a breakdown assistance and home starts. We've got the powered boot lid, 360 cameras on the car, and we've got this nice loading section here, and we have got additional storage just under there for you as well. Just coming around to the side of the car again, because it's a fully approved car. You should expect no scuffs, scrapes, certainly no marks, and the alloy wheels is helped also from a stone chips point of view. It has got the dealer fit option of the mud flaps front and rear. Just coming into the rear of the car, we've got that gorgeous tan interior, dual zone climate control, heated seats, fully electric reclinable seats as well for the passengers in the back. And if you just look up, we've got that really nice sliding panoramic roof as well. Just round to the passenger front. Again, we've got that really nice finish on the duotone with the leather. So you have got the leather dash just up here with the nice stitching in the tan, full electric memory seats for you. And we have got the Meridian sound system in the car as well. If you just jump in, I'll go into the driver's seat. So the car has done 11,562 miles. Now that is very, very low mileage, obviously, for the year of the car. Up onto the main screen here, we've got your main up-to-date newest Pivi Pro system. So you've got your navigation, your phone. I'll just scroll this way. You've also got your DAB radio as well. Tap this here. We have got your climate and your seats. If you just go into your seats, you can go into your front and rear, and you can cool those seats or heat those seats as well. We've got full air suspension in the car as well. And if we just look up here, you'll see that we've also got this mirror, which is quite clever. It's called a ClearSight rear view mirror. So that's the normal mirror, but if you flick it up, it's then a full HD feed to the rear of the car. So if you've got people in the back, obviously you won't be able to see them. They sort of disappear from that point of view. Just in the front section, we've got the wireless charging, and we've got your twin cup holders in here and additional storage down in there. Just up on the screen, full interactive driver display, so we can do speed, trip, revs. We can also have the sat nav in there, or your media. It can tailor to what you'd like. And then we've got all your infotainment on the steering wheel here on the left, and on the right hand side we've got your adaptive cruise control with speed limiter and lane departure warning, along with your heated steering wheel. Mentioned about the Meridian sound system. This does have the upgrade of the full 3D Meridian sound system, which is as high as you can go within the Range Rover range. So it is quite an exclusive car, and the options are really nice. And then finished off from a stance point of view, we've obviously got air suspension on the car as well. Now you can just reserve this car for £99, subject to having a test drive or looking at some finance figures for you. If you want to do that, please do give me a call. My name's Chris, and it's 01642 644 444.